Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and part 2 of the mega unboxing. So, who knows? I have no idea. It's just a stray. Oh, I think I do know. There is a story with this. So remember this. In fact, I think we'll go to, I think this belongs here. I'm not 100% sure. So, as we can see, there's the serial number. So this is something for, pardon me, anyone who's new into collecting vintage Gillettes. So this number here is just a one-off. So that number will match the number on the razor blade. So that's how you know if you're looking at something on eBay that comes with a cardboard shipper. If you can see the number, or ask the seller if there's a number on the bottom of the box. Sometimes it's on the side. Whether that number matches the serial number on the razor. So this is a silver Bostonian, and I really, really love Bostonian razors. Look at that. Now, this is where this one comes into play. Now, what had happened? Oh, I wonder what that is. It looks like grease from down here. Let's clean that off. Just amazing condition. So what had happened was, I get all these sent to my friend Kaz in Oklahoma in the United States, and she doesn't know a lot about razors. So there we go. There's our number. It's at 468 on the end, or 46B, and there it is. So that's the match. So this all belongs together. Anyway, my friend Kaz, she got this, and what the seller had done was they wrapped the razor individually, the blade bank individually, and the case individually. So she had a heap of boxes she opened up, and she opened up this one, and this was wrapped separately as well. I'm just trying to remember all the story now. And so she opened up the box, and she must have got distracted, and she put this razor into this case, into this box, this empty case, like that. And then amongst the rubbish she found this. So she hit me up and said, "Doug, what's the story? There's just this empty box." And I'm looking, I think, oh my God, like, what the hell, you know? And I said, can you see anything else? Is there anything else there? She goes, no, it's just the empty box. I'm going, oh no. So I've had something similar to this happen to me before, where someone has only sent part of what they were supposed to send. So I hit up the seller, and they go, no, we sent it all. And at this stage, Kaz had put everything out into her bin to get thrown out, to get picked up. And I said, look, can you... And it was a big favour of her to do, and I'm so thankful she did it. but she went out to a bin at night with a torch, went through it, found this wrapped up, I think probably in bubble wrap, and then she found the box it all came in, and this was wrapped in bubble wrap, but under the flap, but it somehow slipped under the flap. So when she pulled it up, she found it underneath there. So disaster avoided. Useless story there for you. But this is, I just love these sets. Absolutely love them. And I just love how they just, oops, just put that forward. Just love how it just disappears. Can't believe I've got this. Beautiful addition to my collection. Okay, so there was 2 Penhaligons. And that's the sartorial one. And this one I had a bit more use. A little bit of scent left. But I got them cheap. Normally these would cost an arm and a leg. I don't even think they make them anymore. So I had to have them. Let's see. Let's do this one. Gillette Tech Razor. Hang on a sec. Sorry about that, just had a customer. So the Tech, oh, blades everywhere. So I'll show you why I bought this one. It's not bad condition at all. Whoops, sorry camera. So you see the base plate. So just about all Techs, it's just a straight sort of slot. With this one, if you notice, it's like a triangle shape. So these are pre-World War II Tech razors. Now these ones, this one's made in America. These ones are just a little bit more aggressive than the Techs that came after World War II. Like, it's still a mild shave, but it's just got a touch more bite. And I had a shave with one at home ages ago. I've got one that's just crusty. Just really old and horrible condition. And I really enjoyed the shave. So I thought, I've got to get a better one of these. So that's what happened. So I've now got one with some crusty old blue blades. I'll put you in there and we'll put you away. Okay, thanks for watching episode 2. Ciao for now.